Hey guys, welcome to another video. Doing street photography today. My main focus is the architecture that we have around here. I'm going to be shooting on the Fujifilm XT4 with a 27mm lens. I'm going to be using the different film simulations. I'm using Velvia Vivid. Yeah, that's just the test. I'm gonna try to work on my composition as well. There we go. There's a statue right here. The light seems to hit it just right. And if my composition is sort of off, y'all critique my work, please. Got some clouds up in the sky that are obstructing the light, but it's okay. There you go. I'll frame this in the middle. See how this looks like right here. Okay, I'm gonna change my settings. So we're going with ISO is at 200 and shutter is at 250. I like to use the viewfinder, guys. Go. I had this camera for about 3 years and I have dropped it, as you can see right here, a couple of times, and it still works. So it is a sturdy camera. So Vita. This is street photography. I might go with black and white on this one. I know, I have a better idea, guys. I like this light that's pointing, showing in right here. There's light on the ground as well. And it looks so good in black and white. Wow, that was perfect. There we go. See what I can do right here. That one was across our filter. You guys can see that. Sometimes photography is like fishing, guys. You're fishing for the perfect shot. Okay, this is something unique. The wrong way. I'm gonna put this in black and white. Get the clouds in the background. I'm using a cross R filter. Use classic negative for the film simulation. It's very... So I got this with the light, with this hitting the water. What's the big difference? I'm gonna try to take a picture of this tower here. Okay. That's about it right there. across our filter. Okay, so I want to take a picture of these trees because the light's perfect. I'm just loving shooting black and white right now. I don't know what's... Okay, no more shooting black and white, guys. Okay, we're gonna go black and white. I know you're mad at me. I know when I was a kid, I loved searching for Waldo, the books. I loved that series when I think about it. It was just fun looking for Waldo, a guy in a red hat. The sunsets are so amazing, guys. Dude, I don't know, I just get so stimulated by the clouds. It's unreal. Right here. You know, I know why people use the freaking go. I'm gonna be using that, but I like the viewfinder as well. It's great. Chasing the light, bro. It's diminishing. Take a picture of that leaf. Dude, I did not even touch that leaf at all. Why did it do that? Perfect. Perfect. Someone must have came by. Look at that leaf, bro. Someone did that. But back to my camera. Yes, it's a 27mm lens. I've been forcing myself to use it a lot. Dude, these clouds are crazy. I'm trying to focus on my composition, guys. All I can think about is clouds, guys. That photo in that hallway with that guy just randomly walking into the hallway. That photo was like a miracle to me. Oh, I missed the photo opportunity. I like motorcycles, guys. Check out this tree right here. I'm gonna take it without my shadow. And you know what filter that is. That's classic negative. That's classic negative, guys. Picture this dog. And the mother and child. You look so handsome. I'm gonna use Eternal Bleach Bypass. Use it. I told myself this was going to be a video about architecture. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I want to put this right here and have it face towards the sunset. All right, guys, this is going to be a fun one. We're gonna use Velvia Vivid. Isn't that nice? Get my composition in here. Okay guys, I have an idea. I'm gonna get that lighting pole. It's gonna be where the sun set is at. I think landscape is way better. Shooting a landscape is better. That cloud right here is like screaming for light. It's like, I need the light. It's so pretty, dude. Trying to find a silhouette of some sort. Y'all be the critics. Okay. It's not perfect, but it will do. You guys, I think I found my favorite one. My favorite lighting pole. So my main subject is going to be these light poles. I'll have the clouds in the background. And it's a portrait. Get one through the fence. Yeah. So that's the end of today's street photography. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And in the future, I will have a Patreon if whoever wants to support me even further in the description below. For now, I'll enjoy this sunset that we have, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.